So
anytime soon.
just to make it clear, sir, so you are not concerned, Malacanang is not concerned that 3 days before Congress goes on recess, the budget has not yet been passed.
We're still confident that it will be passed.
Do you have message to the leaders of Congress, sir?
No, we already made a statement, diba? We eagerly await the passage of that bill, General Appropriations Bill. They
Yes,
know
sir.
that it will bring adverse consequences if we have a reenacted budget. They know that.
So you mentioned at Malacanang is eagerly awaiting for the,
The passage, yes.
Yes, this means that
So
you're
in other words, we're still hopeful that it will pass.
where is this coming from, sir? The confidence of Malacanang that the
Because they
budget...
said so. Remember, they said that they will pass it, and I watched Congressman Andaya saying that they are determined to pass the General Appropriations Bill.